Hi friends, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 9th class civics, our going on lesson is the constitutional design, and today we will see how the constitution was formed in South Africa, and we will also make the understanding that how the constitution was formalized when the democracy was adopted, because many of the countries in the world that have a constitution, but that is very different things. All the democratic country have their own constitutions, as we have seen from the America, because when America got the freedom from the Great Britain, so obviously they had written their own constitutions into the different process, and constitution of America which make the inabilities to the function of government very proper way, as we have also seen in the French Revolution, because when the French Revolution was going at the zenith, so they had decided to just make some basic rules, because these basic rules which was drafted in the form of constitution. So we will see how the constitution was taken into the shape, what steps were taken, what kind of the problems the South African people had faced, and what type of the challenges the people of South Africa had to face, and what were the new possibilities, and how they had just going to agree over the compromise and the negotiations, because many of the societies, because many of the societies have not the kind of kind of the same pattern of the people, that is called the homogeneous people, because every society hails with the kind of heterogeneous people. Heterogeneous means the differentiations in the races, in the custom, in the culture, in the language, many of the regions which are different from each region. So we will see how the South Africa had overcome this situation and how they had advanced toward the constitution. Let's we see. So what the efforts for the constitution? So we have seen that the South Africa, where the many of the determination steps has been taken, such as planning to live together, because their main basic aim that was very important, that they have to plan to live together, because they were the white, they were the blacks, and white they were totally opposite to the blacks, because there was a kind of a predominant society, means one group that was made only for to torture, to just give the order, and second groups that was only made for to take the order, to just follow the order. So these two societies were totally different from each other, and so they have to just agree over the some kind of trust, some kind of negotiation that was not very easy, because there was a kind of fearness among themselves, especially the blacks. They were very fearful, and many of the other things they have to take as a decision, such as to safeguard their interest, because both the parties, both the groups have to just secure their privileges if they are holding, and they have to just secure their interest, because that was very necessary, that to live in the country for a longer time. So what type of the shapes of the written laws, kind of the basic rules and the regulations, what type of the way they can be implemented in the country, because that was very important. So we will see how the negotiations and the compromise was shaped, because as you know very well, the oppression means the kind of people who were just ruling over the blacks people, means they were the kind of rulers they were the oppressed means they were sometimes called the victims, because they were just take the order from the oppressors, and oppression means the white people, and they were giving the all kind of the steps in the form of order, and they have to follow it. So they were the oppressed class, they were the oppressed people, and they were have the kind of some interests which were very different from each other. Let's we see their main aim to protect its privilege and the property, because they were holding their property from the beginning, and they were also wanted to secure their privilege as they are holding from the beginning, means they were not you will say agree to minimize their privilege, but there were some you will say broad-minded. They have to need to make their broad-mindedness to protect their privilege, means they do not wanted to make it as a very, you will say permanent, but they wanted to protect it. Second, they were agree to majority rules, one person one vote, means they were you will say main interest in the country. If the government would form in the country, so this government must be formed on the basis of majority, because when the majority community get the kind of you will say decision or kind of the support from the people of the country, so that majority groups only able to rule in the country. And one person one vote, that was their main, you will say, demand. And they also demand for to agree for the basic right of the poor, because these were also thinking some things which was very will say good. Second thing, say for the oppressed or the victims people, what their will say demands. So they were against the compromise of majority rule, means they were not compromising over them. Actually this is the contrast between these two groups, and their demand to secure the social and economic right, because from the beginning they were totally deprived from the social you will say and the economic advantages. They were totally discarded in the societies, so they wanted to secure their social and economic rights. From the beginning they were not having, so they wanted the security. Next, the majority rule should not be absolute, so it was also the kind of some compromise which was made, that a majority rule would not forever in the country, because those who are in the majority, obviously if the democracy has been adopted in the country, if the constitution has been adopted in the country, obviously the majority rule become the minority rules, because minorities they can get the kind of support from the people of the country, and the minorities come into the, or I can say they can turn into the, you'll say majority rules, majority groups, and majority groups means the government. And they also protect the white minorities, because white peoples, some categories of the white people, they were very poor, so it was also the demand from the blacks, you will say groups. So compromise was not easy, as we have seen this compromise was made, but that was not very easy, because many of the problems they have to face, and how they had overcome it, let's see. A step to secure guarantee of the trust, that was very important, because they have to just make the kind of coordination between them to make the kind of mutual understanding, because the two different community, means I can say there were the two kind of poles, that was the kind of polarization in Africa. So it was not very easy to just coordinate for the two kind of the, you'll say, groups. So it was decided some rules should be write down, because if the rules can be written down, so they can, you will say, just enable some people to guide, to direct something. And what type of the, you will say, rules were telling. Number one, way of choosing the ruler, means what type of the way choosing of the ruler it was written, means the constitution was just giving the direction, just giving the kind of way how the rulers will be chosen in the country by the people of the country. Second, rules determine to elected government to empower the work, what the work they have to do and what the work they have not to do, means rules they can set the kind of mentality of the rulers, what type of the work they have to run and what type of the work they have not to run. So these rules will just limit the power of the rulers. Rule by the elected rulers to decide the right of citizens. They have to decide the right of citizen, means the citizens which are very supreme in the country, and after the constitution, so they have to secure some their rights. Rules to stabilize or limit the power of government. As I told you earlier, that powers, if the rulers have the unlimited powers, so he can misuse the power, as we have seen in the alternative of the democracy. because when the rulers get the power, so he become very omnipotent, means he feels some omnipotentness and he misuse the power. And when the rulers misuse the power, obviously which groups you will say faces the kind of problems. Obviously the groups which is a very depriving groups, means they have not any kind of the basic rights in the society. So degree of the trust and the coordination must be maintained between them, so that they can live together and they can maintain the kind of you will say good behavior, good you will say healthy opinions between them, so that the country can run very smoothly. Constitute of government for taking the favorable decision, because when the any government has been formed, so that government must be very favorable for taking the kind of favorable decision. Limit the power of government, right of the citizen. That is very important things, because these are some summaries. So finally the people of Africa agree on some basic rules as supreme one, because these basic rules that was known as the kind of supreme rules, because these basic rules they were kind of the you will say kind of some guidelines, and guidelines has been found not only in the constitution, not only in the government, but also these guidelines has been seen in our homes, in our communities, in our you will say social groups, in any kind of the school, any kind of the institution, any kind of the organizations, every you will say groups, every kind of the institution, every kind of the organizations, every family have need the kind of rules, because these rules which enable the person who is the head of the family or head of the institution to take the very favorable decision, so that every person can get the advantage. And second thing, say these rules they also you will say maintain the kind of efficiency in the system, because when the rules has been written down, then obviously the effective system and the efficiency can be appeared in the you will say groups or in the organization or in the country. So these rules which are very very important, and every country have need the constitution, every groups have need the constitution, every organization have need the constitution. You have seen the rules which has been you will say written in the schools, and each school have a different type of the rule, but every person have to run according to the rules, otherwise rules are not there, so there will be the kind of hodgepodge or the mismatch in between the teachers, students and so many other people. So these rules just maintain the kind of efficiency, kind of some decorum, mean discipline in the order, so that the all the people will work under the kind of some you will say guidelines, and these guidelines obviously known as a constitution. So hope student you could understand well all these you will say procedure which I have told, how the constitution was made in the Africa. And in the next video lecture I will tell you about the Constitution of India, how it was just formed. So if you understand this topic, so you can share my video, you can also comment over my video, and you can also just if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it. So hope student you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching me, and thank you to listen me.